Hey, welcome to week 28. Today I'm going to invite you to do an instant facelift. Do it yourself. This is a natural and simple thing to do. It can help relax the facial muscles, leaving a more natural smile and expression. It can also help improve the circulation to your skin, which brings a liveliness that you can feel and others can see as well. First, start with some light stroking of the skin of the face, which stimulates the vagus nerve and reduces tension in all the facial muscles. Then we're going to find the point on the face, which is the endpoint of the large intestine acupuncture meridian called Li20. It's the beauty point in Chinese, Japanese and Thai massage. This point that I'm holding at the moment is more sensitive than the rest of the surrounding skin. You can push lightly into the resistance and hold at that point and wait to feel it release. You can gently slide the skin inward towards the midline of the face and then out towards the side to find the direction of greater resistance, and you can stop and push lightly, then hold and wait for the release. This next point that you can see me doing here is the acupuncture point B2. It's on the inside corner of the eyebrow. Holding your contact at this point will also balance the flow of moisture to the eyes and leave them bright and sparkling. So as before, just find the area that's most sensitive and then gently rest your fingertips lightly on the skin and hold the contact until you feel the release. And feel good.